Boom! What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Joannis or Joe Hitago. I'm a Sierra Leonean American living in West Africa, and I'm in Sierra Leone right now. And if you want to know what a $155 per night hotel room looks like here in Freetown, Sierra Leone, then this is the video for you. All right, cool. So I'm gonna take you to Sierra Palms. I actually stayed there for a couple of nights. When I first got here to Freetown, the place that I was staying, it was not available, so I had to stay there. I stayed in their double room and it was ocean facing. So it's an ocean view. You guys will get a chance to see what it looks like. I'm gonna take you on a tour of the hotel. We're gonna see the outside, we're gonna see the lobby, we're gonna see the little Lily's restaurant that's open till 2:30 in the morning. So check it out. When you enter the hotel room, you stick your key card there and it turns all the lights on. Let's take a look at the bathroom. So, standard issue sink, nice size sink, of course. They give you a bar of soap also. You have a toilet as well, trash can, and you have the shower. They give you some extra towels there too. Not so bad shower head. Then you have a safe in the room for all your valuables if you want in the closet space. If you look down a little bit too, they have a little mini fridge as well. You come over, there's just more closet space to hang up your clothes. If you want to hang your clothes up, the room is pretty spacious. They have a queen size bed, if I'm not mistaken. They have a desk for working. They have a TV as well. Of course, they have a mirror, so if you want to check yourself out. Then here's the balcony. So as you can see, walking out onto the balcony, they have a screen door if you want to get some fresh air and you want to keep the bugs out. There's also a table and 2 chairs there so you can see the view. But this is the ocean view and you can see what's going on outside on Lumley Beach Road. But this is the view from just the first floor. So going back into the room, this is the room. This is what it looks like. Standard issue room, right? Now we're gonna go downstairs. I want to take you guys down so you can see the breakfast bar at Lily's. So you go down to breakfast, they have a full fruit platter. The whole thing is chef special, everything they have there, but they actually had pasta, which was interesting. That was what you saw in there. This is the baked beans, if I'm not mistaken, and eggs. And then they have beans with bacon. Then if you look here, they have spaghetti, some more pasta. They also have like hot dogs and chicken. They have eggs and plantains. They have croissants. They have donuts as well. They also have juices and cereal, if you eat cereal. And then there's a little place that toasts your food and then some other bread there as well. And then there's like sandwiches. There's like little tuna sandwiches, there's little like cakes and more donuts as well. So what I got was some plantains, I got some potatoes, I got some watermelon, and I got some mangoes. And then you can eat outside. Lily's has a place where you can eat outside and you can enjoy the weather. All right, cool. So that was Sierra Palms. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments if you would stay here, if you ever came to Sierra Leone, if you think the pricing is affordable. Let me know what you guys think. Also, if you've been to Sierra Leone and you stayed here, let me know as well. We want to know in the comments what you guys think about this place. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share it with your friends, and I'll see you all in the next video. All right, guys, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, comment, and share it with your friends. All right, see you on the next video.